A fake image purporting to show an explosion near the Pentagon has been shared by multiple verified Twitter accounts, causing confusion and leading to a brief dip in the stock market.
미국 국방부 청사 인근에서 큰 폭발이 일어난 장면을 묘사한 가짜 사진이 트위터를 통해 확산하면서 미국 주식 시장이 한때 출렁였습니다. 자, 이게 뭔가를 주장하다 아니면 뭔가 보여주려고 한다라고 할 때 purport라고 할 수 있습니다. purporting to show something.
That's when you claim to show something, but usually it's false
그렇죠.
or not true.
It's hard to believe normally when
Someone
something is
purports to be. If you use that term, it's like, well, this person said they're this, but they're probably not.
It's like supposedly, purportedly.
Right. Purportedly.
Yeah, 그렇죠.
And we should point out this was on Monday local time.
그래요. 자, 그러니까 purporting to show. 뭐뭐를 보여준다고 주장하는 그런 이미지가 있었습니다. 뭘 보여준다고 했느냐? An explosion near the Pentagon. 미국 국방부 청사 인근에 폭발이 있었다라는 것을 주장하는 그런 이미지가 있었어요. 나중에 알고 보니까 이제 페이크 뉴스였는데요. 이게 누가 쉐어링을 했느냐? Verified Twitter account라는 표현이 나와요.
It doesn't mean anything anymore, though.
Oh, really?
Right,
Does anyone get verified? Is that
No,
what
now
say?
anyone can get a blue check mark if you pay a monthly fee. So that's why. So like one of the, some of the images, people thought it was being shared by Bloomberg.
그렇군요. 이제 그러니까 verified account라는 거는요. 인증된 계정이라는 뜻인데 보통은 소셜미디어에서 뭐 몇 명 이상의 팔로워가 있거나 아니면 공인이거나 뭐 유명한 사람이거나 이럴 때만 옆에 별 같은 거 붙잖아요. 파란색 별. 트위터도 마찬가지인 것 같아요. 그래서 이런 별이 붙어있는 verified account가 쉐어링을 하다 보니까 많은 사람들이 믿었어요. 진짜 폭발이 explosion이 있었다고? 그런데 알고 보니까 it was not true, right? It was just
It was AI.
fake. It was AI. 가짜였어요. And this caused 혼란, confusion, and a brief dip in the stock market.
If something is brief, it's short. So it was just and a dip means a decrease. So there was a short decrease in the stock market. The S&P 500 was down like a quarter of a percentage point.
But it went back up
It went
again.
back up. But
Yeah.
it's actually the markets are even down further on Tuesday. So, but it definitely shocked the markets for a little while there.
네, 주식시장에 영향을 줄 만큼 한때 잠시 일시적으로 이게 주식시장이 내려갔다가 올라오는 출렁였습니다. So there was a brief dip. 잠깐 내려가는 것을 dip라고 얘기하죠.
Sometimes after lunch, you might experience a dip in your energy levels. You ever feel sleepy after lunch?
Oh yeah, exactly.
Right.
Food coma, is that the term?
Yeah, exactly. A food coma.
I experience that often, I have to say. Especially when it gets warmer.
Exactly. Yeah, I agree. I do
그렇죠.
too.
뭐 춘곤증 이런 말도 있잖아요. 식곤증. 그러니까 이제 그것도 에너지 레벨이 딥한다라고 얘기를 할 수 있을 것 같아요. 잠시 뚝 떨어졌다가 또 다시 올라오기는 하는데 뭐 그런 것도 딥고 아니면 우리가 뭐 과자 같은 거 미국식 나초 칩 같은 거 이렇게 소스에다가 딥해 먹는다. 아니면 이 소스 자체를 딥라고 부르기도 합니다. 살짝 찍어서 먹는 거니까요.
I like dill.
Dill?
Dip. Yeah, Canadians love dill flavor.
Is
Like
that
we
the
have
green thing?
like a dill pickle.
Oh, yeah.
dill
Oh, right,
pickles.
right.
Dill is an
Sweet.
herb. It's an herb.
그렇군요.
And like we love dill pickle potato chips.
Oh, sounds good.
Yeah, you can't get
We'll
them in
have to
Korea. I miss those.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I wanted to try it.